Hi everyone, this is Tom with Convesio, and I wanted to take a moment to show you our latest product, ConvesioConvert. This is a powerful platform to use to engage your audience on your website with website personalization, automation of emails and communications, pop-ups, forms, website personalization, and then powerful audience segmentation. We give you out of the box a bunch of really great recipes and templates for emails and pop-ups that you can use to automatically start engaging your shoppers, your website visitors with offers, abandoned cart information, welcome series emails, and then also a bunch of tools to help you drive repeat purchases. We're going to take a look at this platform, and I'm just going to take you through very quickly some of the high-level concepts inside Convert. The first thing we want to take a look at is what we call automations. And automations is really the ability for you to take action on your customers or your website visitors based on things that they do on your site, pages that they view, things that they might purchase, products that they might purchase. So automations are really the engine by which you're going to be sending emails or doing various outreach to your clients. So we have two that are set up here. So I have this lead magnet giveaway, and we'll take a look at this right here. This basically is a recipe or workflow that is going to show to everyone that visits my site, and we're going to show a pop-up here to them. And once they submit that pop-up, we're going to send an email to them. And we're going to take a look at this really quickly, and let's diagnose this. So first off, this automation is designed to go to everyone. And this is where we talk about our audience segmentation in Convert. You have the ability to do all sorts of custom filtering based on your visitors' information, their time zone, their language, how they visited your site. You can build really, really complex logic here on segmenting your audience, how they paid, the number of orders that they have, if they've abandoned a cart, have they used coupons, have they viewed specific products, where's their stage of journey as a customer, have they engaged with your emails. And every one of these options, these filters here that you have, has a number of parameters that you can set based on what you choose. So if I choose visit date, then my parameters for setting that are going to be completely different. And then you can stack these together. You can add more filters on top of this, getting very granular with your segmentation of your customers. You can choose who you want to show this to, this offer, this pop-up, whatever it might be, or an email. The next thing that you'll notice is we have a very robust designer in this platform. And so this allows you to actually build your emails, your pop-ups, your banners, whatever it is you might want to show. You can build these items with a very easy drag and drop interface that allows you to integrate all sorts of great dynamic elements from your site. So you can see we could actually put in products here. And this is really helpful when you're designing emails. You can choose your success message after you're done. You can design that. You can see how this looks in mobile or desktop, all right there inside this designer feature that we have in the platform. And then this is our email designer. This is where you can choose how you want to send this email. We can allow you to personalize this with dynamic keywords. So you can actually personalize the subject messages that your subject lines that you're sending in your emails. We also have integration to write your subject lines and content using AI right inside the platform. And then we also give you, again, a very powerful email editor. And you can even do things in here where you could say, I want to embed products from my WooCommerce shopping cart. And when you do this, you have the ability over here to say, I want these products to be products that they've ordered in recent orders or similar to abandoned cart items. So you have the ability to set up very intelligent messaging to go out. And this, coupled with the audience segmentation and purchasing history, gives you the ability to really specify the offers and messaging that you want to send to your audience. And we give you a bunch of recipes that you can choose from. So we have 9 automations to expand your audience. You've got a bunch of automations to nurture customers, drive more sales, all sorts of things here. And when you go into these automations, you can see that there's a variety of these here, and you can actually preview these and take a look at them and then click use this recipe and deploy it. It's very simple to get started. Email campaigns, you have the ability to launch a brand new email campaign. And again, in. We give you a bunch of out-of-the-box templates here. You can choose through all these various objectives or occasions, and there's lots of really nicely designed things. You can also start from scratch here and build something completely custom if you want. Going through this flow, you can choose through the audience segmentation who your recipients are going to be. You can review it and schedule it, just like you can most modern email newsletter platforms. Very simple to do that. Another element that we have here is the ability to do pop-ups and forms. This platform actually lets you design pop-ups that you can show on your site to do lead collection. And also you can create embeddable forms in the platform. So you can create a form to do lead collection here, which can then trigger all sorts of actions and events and automations. And you can actually embed that inside your WordPress site, just like you would a third-party form system. So that all happens right here inside Convert. One of the really cool things that we do in Convert that is a big differentiator, in my opinion, is website personalization. This particular feature could actually be its own product, if you will. I have a simple website personalization that I've set up here. And the way this works is that I want to actually create a personalization. And I've actually done this where I've modified this page and I've inserted this personalization here for all audiences or visitors to the site. And this one page is going to show this text, which is generated from the Convert platform, as a message on this particular page. Now, if I wanted to, I could say, I want to also come down here and insert recommended products. This will then only show to the audience segment that you want. So you now can personalize this content. So imagine if this is a checkout page, you might want to show things like discounted items. You might want to show recommended upsells from their last order. You might want to show similar products or related products. And what's really cool here is you can actually get cross-sell product recommendations right from WooCommerce and also upsell product recommendations. So when you're on a product page, you can customize that product page. And what's really great is this is then all powered by that audience segmentation that we talked about. So you don't have to show this to everyone, unlike WooCommerce, where when you embed these products, everyone sees them. So you have a lot more granular control over who this personalization is actually showing to. So if we jump back to Convert here, and we'll go back to our personalizations, setting up a new personalization is really, really easy. And I just want to take you through this. You basically pick your page that you want to show it on. And so let's just say we'll take our privacy policy page here. This is where we do the audience personalization segmentation. So we can choose a custom filter and again, have all of those items that we talked about previously. We'll just do a demo here and then you can continue, start editing. And then this is where you can choose what you want to edit. And you can basically highlight any section of the page and you can integrate products, blogs, social media, custom text, images, videos, a number of things. You have full control over here to personalize these pages. This is really great if you want to put personalized messages on lead capture pages, lead forms, upsell pages, product pages. Very good stuff here. In addition to this, we also have a really powerful reporting section. So we can actually look at revenue reports. This is entirely integrated into your WooCommerce site. You don't need a WooCommerce site to actually use this product. You can use it on a regular WordPress site, just like my sample blog site that I was showing you. But you also can integrate this to WooCommerce and we'll get revenue data flowing through to the platform. Email data, so total sends, your open rate, your conversion rate, your click rate, delivery rate, all of that. Sign up performance. So if you have pop-ups and forms on your site, you can see how those are performing. Site engagement. So this actually integrates with Google Search Console as well. So there's a wealth of reporting data that's in this platform also. And then the other thing that's really nice is you do get a pretty powerful contact database. And I'll show you what some of the data is. So we, of course, store all of your contacts. everyone who's engaged with your site, but you can also see all sorts of custom details are being stored about this particular visitor. Any custom attributes, you can set these up and customize your profiles. Shopping activity, so any past orders, any automations that this user might be on. Site activity, when they visited your site, how much time they spent, the number of pages that they looked at, active subscriptions that they might be on in the product, and then we also give you the ability to track custom events as well. As you can see, this platform is really powerful, and we've just scratched the surface of the things that we can do inside of it. If you're interested in learning more about this and you want to get a demo, I would love the opportunity to take you through this and show you and collaborate on how this might help improve your customer engagement, your revenue, if you have an e-commerce site, and overall lead generation and effectiveness of your WordPress site. Thanks again, everyone.